Hi, what's up everyone? In this video, we are going to talk about the top best smartwatch for triathlon you can buy on Amazon. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon. Having the greatest smartwatch can make all the difference in the world of triathlon, where each second counts. Finding a wristwatch that can handle the strenuous demands of swimming, cycling, and running is crucial whether you're a novice athlete or a seasoned pro. With the correct smartwatch, you can monitor your performance metrics, track your heart rate, and gain essential insights that will help you perform at your best. In this video, we'll explore the functionality, dependability, and user-friendly interfaces of smartwatches designed specifically for triathlons. Join us as we reveal the top triathlon smartwatch competitors, guaranteeing that you stay one step ahead of the pack with each stroke, pedal stroke, and stride. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on random numbering. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started. On number 5. Wahoo ELEMNT Rival Running. ELEMNT Rival Multi-Sport GPS Watch, Wahoo's newest fitness tracker, promises to overcome the issue of overwhelming data by concentrating on the crucial parameters for serious athletes. With the introduction of touchless transition, triathlons can now seamlessly move between activities without the need to touch the watch. In order to provide useful information for races, the watch also interfaces with ELEMNT bike computers, sending data from prior runs or swims. Controlling the Wahoo Kicker Turbo Trainer and having access to the sports science-designed workouts are additional perks. In comparison to rival watches, the watch lacks exciting features and a fashionable style, but it does offer a comfortable fit and a long battery life of up to 14 days. It emphasizes performance tracking and includes tools such as temperature, altimeter, compass, gyroscope, and accelerometer. The watch may be customized inside the Wahoo ecosystem and is compatible with ANT+ and Bluetooth sensors. The ELEMNT Rival primarily targets the swim, cycle, and run communities, offering a streamlined experience for people who place a higher value on competing than in-depth data analysis. Pros of Wahoo ELEMNT Rival Running. Lightweight and comfortable. Simple setup process. Easy to read data screens. Cons of Wahoo ELEMNT Rival Running. Lacks more adventurous features. Looks and feels a bit cheap. Custom setup can be fiddly. On number 4. COROS APEX 2 Pro. The COROS APEX 2 Pro smartwatch is a high-performing GPS watch with a variety of features and outstanding battery life. Its battery life is astoundingly long, lasting up to 75 hours of GPS-enabled activity or 30 days of daily use. The watch provides precise wrist-based heart rate monitoring and has a dependable satellite connection time. It communicates with numerous satellite systems to maintain a reliable connection in a variety of settings. With a scroll wheel and configurable display options via the companion app, the APEX 2 Pro is simple to operate. While lacking ANT+ and streaming features and possibly being a little too big for some users, it excels in terms of use and battery life. Overall, for outdoor enthusiasts searching for a dependable and durable GPS watch, the APEX 2 Pro is a fantastic choice. Pros of COROS APEX 2 Pro. Incredibly long battery life. Great ease of use and display customization. Plus accurate wrist-based heart rate monitoring. Cons of COROS APEX 2 Pro. Slightly on the bulky side. No ANT+. No audio streaming. On number 3. Garmin Enduro. A watch made specifically for endurance athletes, the Garmin Enduro has exceptional sports tracking capabilities and a long battery life. It can keep you going for a very long period without needing to be recharged, with a smartwatch mode battery life of up to 65 days and a 70 to 80-hour GPS battery life. The watch has functions such improved Climb Pro mode, VO2 max tracking for trail runs, and ultra running mode with a rest timer. The Enduro performs well in terms of its key functions despite lacking complete mapping support and feeling heavier in the stainless steel edition. It has a 1.4-inch transflective display and a lightweight nylon band. The watch includes a variety of fitness tracking capabilities, including GPS, heart rate monitoring, and sleep monitoring, and is water-resistant up to 100 meters. It features alerts, Garmin Pay, and playback control on smartphones as a smartwatch. For $799.99, the Enduro is an excellent option for people looking for a long battery life and trustworthy sports monitoring. Pros of Garmin Enduro. Great battery life. Great overall sports tracking. Nice nylon strap. Cons of Garmin Enduro. Missing full mapping support. Stainless steel model feels heavier. It's pricey. On number 2. SUUNTO 9 Peak and Peak Pro. The very sophisticated SUUNTO 9 Peak Pro sports watch was created to satisfy the requirements of the most ardent adventurers and athletes. It has an outstanding battery life, giving 40 hours of battery life in the best GPS mode, 70 hours in endurance mode, and an amazing 300 hours in tour mode after only 1 hour of charging. The watch ensures outstanding tracking accuracy by utilizing 4 separate satellite systems, even in difficult environments including tall buildings, rocky terrain, and steep gorges. The SUUNTO 9 Peak Pro is made to last and has components made of titanium, stainless steel, and sapphire glass for military-grade durability. It is also waterproof to a depth of 100 meters. The watch has 97 sport modes, turn-by-turn directions, weather alerts, avalanche maps, and controls, among many other functions. In addition to allowing users to build structured workouts, set objectives, receive real-time coaching, monitor progress, analyze workouts, track workouts, monitor sleep and recovery, and integrate with well-known fitness applications like Strava and Training Peaks, the SUUNTO app is a great addition to the watch. On number 1. Garmin 010-02063-00 Forerunner 945. High-performing multi-sport watch with a hefty price tag is the Garmin Forerunner 945. It is a portable fitness tracker that is perfect for committed multi-sport enthusiasts. It is stocked with functions and has a stable battery life. The watch contains a heart rate monitor ideal for swimming activities and offers comprehensive health monitoring, including sleep tracking and a pulse oximeter. It provides precise tracking and navigation with GPS accessibility and full color maps. Up to 1,000 songs can also be stored on the Forerunner 945, which also has a barometer for tracking weather changes. Although it might be pricey and cumbersome for wrists with thinner skin, it is a top contender in the fitness tracker market because to its performance and features. However, alternatives like the Polar Pacer or Garmin APEX may second be preferable choices if customers don't need all of its sophisticated capabilities. Pros of Garmin 010-02063-00 Forerunner 945. Excellent battery life. Lightweight. Feature-packed. Cons of Garmin 010-02063-00 Forerunner 945. Expensive. Bulky on slimmer wrists. Unlikely you will use all the features included. So guys, this was the video about the best smartwatch for triathlon. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.